Hello viewers, today I am making dhokla in microwave. Let's look at the ingredients. Gram flour or besan 2 cups. Semolina or suji 4 tablespoons. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Ginger paste 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1 pinch. Slitted green chilies 4 to 5, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1 pinch, salt and sugar 1 teaspoon each. Curry leaves 8 to 10. Grated coconut for garnishing. Coriander leaves for garnishing. Now let's start the process. First I'm adding semolina with the gram flour. With the help of a whisk, I am mixing them together very well. Now I'm adding sugar, followed by salt, turmeric powder, hing, again I'll mix them well. Now I'm adding lemon juice, ginger paste, I'm adding a little bit of white oil. Now I'm mixing them together. At this point I'm adding water little by little and keep on mixing them. I'll mix them together until we reach the desired consistency, and this is the consistency we are looking for. Now I'm greasing a microwave oven proof dish. I will spread the oil like this. Now I will add the most important ingredients, that is the fruit salt. I will add about 2 teaspoons of fruit salt or eno into the batter. Once I add them and mix them well, the batter starts rising up. This fruit salt makes the dhokla fluffy and soft from inside. Now I'll pour this batter into the tray. And I'll spread it evenly. I will tap it and this will go in the microwave, and I'll bake it for about 5 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Now in a fry pan, I will add some white oil. In that I'm adding the mustard seeds green chilies, hing, and I will fry them. Next I'm adding the curry leaves. Next I'll add water, about half cup of water. Next I'm adding salt. And mix them together. This is the dhokla that we have baked just now, and it is well cooked from inside. Now I will pour this entire water mixture on top of the dhokla. This will help the dhokla to be soft. Now I'll add grated coconut on top of this for garnishing. And coriander leaves. And my dhokla is ready to be served. Now I will cut this dhokla. With the help of a knife, I'll cut the square pieces out of this. Now I will check one of the pieces. Yes, it is soft and spongy from inside. You can serve it with your choice of chutneys, the meetha chutney and the green chutney. This is a very mouth-watering snack item. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.